Professional behavior is the last fundamental principle of ethics that professional accountants should possess. First, it requires accountants to comply with relevant law and regulation. For example, accountants should follow the Financial Reporting Standard (FRS) and Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard (MFRS). These are accounting standards issued by the Malaysian Accounting Standard Board (MASB) that dictate how the financial statement should be prepared and presented in Malaysia by an accountant. Second, an accountant should behave in a manner consistent with the profession's responsibility to act in the public interest in all professional activity and business relationship. This principle means that the professional accountant should always act in a way that is good for the public, not just for themselves or their client. They need to make sure that their action and decision benefit the public and do not harm them. This is important to keep people trust and ensure that the accounting profession is seen as trustworthy and honest. It's all about doing what's right for everyone, not just what's good for them or their business only. And the last one, an accountant should avoid any conduct that the accountant know or should know might discredit the professions. For example, the first one, engaging in unethical practice such as falsifying the financial record and providing misleading information can discredit the profession because it goes against the principle of honesty and integrity the accountants are expected to have. Second, lack of professionalism such as being rude, unresponsive, or not keeping the client information confidential can reflect poorly on the entire accounting profession.
Next, when undertaking marketing or promotional activities, a professional accountant shall not bring the profession into disrepute. A professional accountant shall be honest and truthful and shall not make exaggerated claims for the services offered by or the qualification or experience of the accountant. In auditing, exaggerated claims for the services offered by or the qualification or experience of the accountant means making false or misleading statements about what services an accountant or auditing firm can provide, their qualification or their experience. This can mislead clients and is considered unethical and potentially illegal. It's crucial for accountants to provide accurate information to maintain trust and integrity in financial reporting. Exaggerated claims in the context of auditing are problematic because they are undermine the integrity of financial reporting and can lead to audits that are not conducted with the necessary expertise or diligence. Additionally, such claims can also be considered unethical and may have legal implications, potentially resulting in disciplinary actions or lawsuits. It is important for auditors and accounting professionals to accurately represent their qualification, experience, and services to maintain the trust and confidence of their clients and stakeholders. Next, a professional accountant also shall not make disparaging references or unsubstantiated comparison to the work of others. In auditing, disparaging references or unsubstantiated comparison to the work of others means making negative comments about the work of other auditors or firms without valid evidence or unfairly comparing one's own work to theirs without clear justification. Such behavior is considered unprofessional and can harm professional reputation and trust within the industry. In the field of auditing, making disparaging references or unsubstantiated comparisons to the work of others is generally considered unprofessional and unethical. Auditors are expected to compete fairly and base their assessment and judgment on factual information and objective criteria. Such behavior can damage the reputation of the individuals or firms involved and may lead to a loss of trust and credibility within the auditing profession. It is important for auditors to maintain professional integrity and avoid making baseless criticism of their peers. Next, in this slide, this sentence suggests that if a professional accountant is uncertain about the appropriateness of a particular advertising or marketing approach, they should seek guidance and advice from the relevant professional accounting organization or association. These organizations often provide ethical guidelines and standards for advertising and marketing within the accounting profession. Consulting with them can help accountants ensure that their promotional activities align with ethical and professional standards, avoiding potential violations and misconduct. It promotes responsible and ethical behavior in advertising and marketing practices among accountants.